Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to jack up a Subaru Forester. Before lifting, always ensure your vehicle is on a level, firm surface. Engage the parking brake fully and place wheel chocks behind the wheels that will remain on the ground. This crucial first step ensures maximum stability and safety throughout the entire jacking process. Always prioritize your safety and the stability of the vehicle. To lift the front of your Forester, find the central subframe mount. This sturdy metal plate is typically located behind the oil pan, sometimes near the steering rack. Carefully position your floor jack here. For alternative lifting or for placing jack stands, use the reinforced pinch welds found just behind the front wheels. Ensure the jack pad or jack stand cradles the pinch weld securely. For the rear of your Subaru Forester, the primary central jacking point is the rear differential. This is a strong metal box located in the center, connected to the axles. Place your floor jack directly underneath, ideally using a small piece of wood to protect the differential casing. For side lifting or jack stand placement, utilize the reinforced pinch welds situated just in front of the rear wheels. Once your Forester is lifted to the desired height, it is critical to use jack stands for safety. Place them securely under the reinforced pinch welds or other designated frame points. Ensure all jack stands are set to an equal height to provide balanced support. Slowly and carefully lower the vehicle onto the jack stands, confirming it rests firmly and stably before performing any work underneath. Safety is paramount.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.